Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start immediately by clearing a 1M workspace and setting the vintage journal kit components in order. First, choose the paper and test ink on a scrap to confirm flow and color. This prevents blotches later. Once done, fold the first signatures carefully with a bone folder to a crisp center crease, stacking them in order. Make sure to orient grain lines the same direction. That reduces warping and helps the spine sew evenly as you proceed. You now move into the detailed assembly. Mark stitch stations through each folded signature before threading to avoid misalignment. Use wax thread and a curved needle. The wax keeps tension even and prevents fraying. That matters when you pull tight. Once stitched, reinforce the spine with thin glue and a mull or linen strip for strength so the book opens flat. Make sure to trim or square the foredge after drying so pages align cleanly for covers. You finish by attaching the covers with PVA glue, aligning edges precisely, then clamp for 30 to 60 minutes so the bond cures evenly. Once dry, distress edges lightly and apply an ink wash or beeswax to create a vintage patina. This both looks and protects. Finally, label the first page and store the journal upright with support to preserve the spine. If pages lift or stitching loosens, retension that section and add a
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.